Okay, so this is a demonstration video on how to get the Alaska and Hawaii into their own data boxes from the standard shapefile. And I have used the standard ArcGIS shapefile just for this demonstration purpose, but your shapefile that you're using for your project will work also. So the first thing that you want to do is come down and view your project as the like the print layout, and you're going to come up to Insert Data Frame, and that's going to give you a new data frame, and that we're going to move to the side for now, but this will end up being the home of one of our shape files for either Alaska or Hawaii. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that and do a second data frame, and we're going to move that to the side. And while we're here, I'm also going to rename these so we kind of have an idea of what we're going to be putting in them. And when all is said and done, you will have one of each for Alaska and Hawaii. So we're going to go back to the data view now. And you want to make sure as you're moving through the layers that you activate the layer that you want to look at. So we have activated our main layer, which is the layers, and you're going to just zoom it so that you get what you want in the data frame. And once you're satisfied, we are going to go back, make sure it's what we want. You're going to click on the US states, or whatever your shapefile is called, right-click it, copy, click on the Alaska, right click, and paste layers. Now you're going to go ahead, activate that layer so that when you click on it, when you click on the layout view, you now have Alaska, the data frame that you're looking at. You're going to go ahead and move that to the central focal point, and then you're going to zoom in however you want. And when you come back to the layout view, you now have Alaska right there. And you can play around with that, put it wherever you want. And it's going to be the exact same thing for Hawaii. You're just going to copy, paste the layers, activate the layers so that when you go back into the layout view, you have the layer that you want. Zoom in, make sure that it's centered in your frame or however you want to do it. Go back to that, and there you go. And that is how you get an inset for each of them. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Take care.